Welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today we're making a lovely shrimp cocktail with some gorgeous shrimp that I just bought. Now, this is fresh and clean. It's great when you're entertaining or just for a mindful snack that's healthy or an appetizer. Today, we're making it as an appetizer to the main dish that I'll be cooking later. That's another video. Let me show you my dish. This is a special dish for shrimp cocktail. See? See how beautiful? It sits so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some ice on here. Okay, now we got the ice going, and here's my lovely shrimp. Check it out, look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I can't wait. So we're gonna pour the Louisiana cocktail sauce. Normally I use the horseradish sauce, which is supposed to wake up all your senses. But my husband doesn't like horseradish sauce, so we're using Louisiana cocktail sauce.
Best in the world.
All right. And yes, it smells really good. Let's cover this. I have a lemon that I just washed, and okay, so now I washed my shrimp and I squeezed some lemon juice on it already. So here we go. Okay, you stay there. Okay, and there you have it, my masterpiece. Oh, I just can't wait. My husband is like drooling right about now. Okay, so that's my special shrimp cocktail. I would share one. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna try one. And then I'll give it over to my husband. This is so outrageously delicious. I bought these shrimp at Costco, and it's so easy to make. I hope you all make this. It's delicious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.